Welcome to this video presentation here at West Horsley Motors, and here we have the Jaguar F-Type S. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside, you can see it's a two-door car, of course, with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the vehicle, first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have those centrally exiting twin tailpipes there, and given the nature of the vehicle, plenty of boot space as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in, and as I mentioned, we'll run through some controls from there. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see not only is it in fantastic condition, it's a great looking car as well. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. Over on that left-hand side, we have the speedometer. Over on the right-hand side, the rev counter. In the centre, you can see, firstly, the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauges. Below that, it will show you the total miles for this car. They are 46,009. And then below that, we have a digital readout for the speedometer. And you'll see what gear the car is in. It's an automatic. We, of course, are in park at the moment. We back out to the steering wheel next. We have our stereo controls on the left-hand side, cruise control, speed limiter on the right-hand side, and behind the steering wheel, the minus and plus paddle so that you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. Into the center next, we have the main touchscreen. So there are physical buttons down the left and right-hand sides. Otherwise, it all becomes touchscreen. So you can get to your home screen from here, which is, of course, the menu that we're on at the moment, where you can access your audio menu, where we've got our DAB radio. As you can see, we have AM and FM radio as well, just above that. You can, of course, listen to your own music, and there's a number of ways you can do that. For example, Bluetooth audio, once you paired up your phone. You can, of course, make and receive phone calls as well. Above that, we have the satellite navigation. Really nice, clear colour display. It's a very easy system to use. And then, again, you can do things, for example, like turning your parking sensors on and off. You can determine where the climate control is diverting the air. And down this side are the buttons that will take you directly into the menus that we were on just a moment ago. And you'll notice the fans in this car lower down when you take it off of that setting. If I put it back onto that, they'll rise up again, which looks really nice. Below that, we have our dual zone climate control. You can adjust the passenger temperature, or driver temperature in that case, the passenger temperature over here. You can increase and decrease the fan speed as well. If I push that button in, I'm then controlling the heated seat, and the same again for the passenger side. You have got air conditioning turned on at a minute, so that switches it off, back on again, or you can hit auto. The car, which you might better hear it doing in the background, will now take full control to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for. You can manually override that, and you'll see auto has now gone off. This button starts and stops the engine in the car. You just need to make sure the key is in here with you. We have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, the main volume for your stereo. You can change the driving setup of the car, so you can put it into dynamic, your kind of everyday driving mode really, and then if you're going to go rain, ice and snow, so depending on the weather, you can switch between those as you like. You can then also turn off the traction control, put the car in eco mode. You can open up the boot spoiler from here, and we have an electronic handbrake. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at West Horsley Motors. We'd love to hear from you soon.